树上哦，好多啦，好多啦。
Mist ascends, a celestial veil where skies and earth can blur. Cliffside hangs a ribbon, Milky Way's descent. Silent waters cradle thunder's intent. In abysmal depths, stillness holds the storm. A phonic breath, then flood reform. Stranded here, my essence shrinks a grain, devoured by the sublime, the primal rain. Nature's hand, both gentle and severe, unfolds its epic panorama, rivers, stone, and sphere. Life's ephemeral threads in torrents twine, woven into waterfall's timeless shrine.